It's twice as salty as the ocean and lethal to almost all life. Alkali flies are one of the few creatures able to tolerate these conditions. And since they have virtually no competitors, they swarm in their millions. Flies are one of the most successful of all insects. There are 85,000 different kinds, and among them, a perfect fly for almost every habitat, even this one. The alkali fly has special abilities that enable it to live on this lake. It can walk underwater to eat algae. Fine hairs trap air bubbles that prevent it from drowning. But most critically, the fly has a physiology that can neutralize the lethal levels of salt. So the alkali fly's dominance of Mono Lake goes unchallenged, except for a few weeks of the year. A 100,000 Wilson's phalarope are migrating to South America. Mono Lake is their only stopover. These alkali flies for them are an invaluable and irresistible feast. The fly has no defense except to fly and become lost in a vast swarm. It needs considerable skill to pluck an individual fly from the air. There are gulls here too. Though their fly-catching techniques are not so refined.